What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here's question is asking, a new packaging machine will serve Greene Cheese Ltd 3,000 per year in reduced spoilage, serve 3,500 per year in labor, and serve 2,000 per year in packaging material. The new machine will have additional expenses of 700 per year in maintenance and 200 per year in energy. If it costs 30,000 to purchase, what is its payback period? Assume that the servings are earned throughout the year, not just year end. Okay, now payback period can be calculated using this formula. Here they have mentioned it's cost 30,000 to purchase, so 30,000, and then we divide by all these costs. Okay, now let's go and add them together. First we have 3,000 per year for reduced spoilage, 3,000, and then we have 3,500 plus 3,500 and plus 2,000 minus we have expenses of 700 and 200, 700 plus 200, and if you calculate, you're gonna get 30,000 divided by 7,600, and that gives us 3.95 years. So the payback period of if Greene Cheese had an internal limit of maximum payback period of less than 3.95 years, the project would be rejected. So we had to have 3.95 years. Okay, and that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn engineering economics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.